Welcome back to Improve Autos, and this is not just the Bronco. This is the 2026 Ford Bronco Raptor, the undisputed king of high-speed factory-built off-roaders. While other SUVs are built for the highway, this 418 horsepower monster is a street-legal Baja blasting beast designed for one purpose: total off-road domination at any speed. This is the ultimate expression of American off-road engineering. Let's be clear, the Bronco Raptor is not a competitor to the standard Jeep Wrangler. It's a direct shot at the now-retired V8-powered Wrangler 392. With its rival gone, the 2026 Raptor now stands completely alone at the top of the food chain. This is a wide-body, high-performance machine. Pricing for the 2026 Bronco Raptor reflects this, starting at approximately $90,000. Fully loaded with options, you'll be pushing close to $95,000 or even $100,000. It's expensive, but you are paying for engineering, not luxury. Under the heavily vented hood sits the heart of the beast, Ford's 3-liter Twin-Turbo EcoBoost V6. It's not a V8, but it doesn't need to be. This engine is tuned specifically for the Raptor, pushing out a massive 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. Mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, this truck accelerates with genuine anger. But the engine isn't even the main story. The magic of the Raptor is in what's underneath. This is what you're paying for: the Haas 4.0 suspension system. The Raptor uses massive Fox 3.1 live wild adaptive shocks. These are smart shocks that read the terrain hundreds of times a second, adjusting instantly. What does that mean? It means you can hit desert whoops at 70 miles per hour and the truck just floats. It's designed to be jumped, abused, and driven harder than any other production SUV in the world. It's also 9.8 inches wider than a base Bronco for high-speed stability, and it comes standard on massive 37-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. This is a factory-built trophy truck, complete with front and rear locking differentials and a Baja mode that unleashes its full potential. Inside, the Raptor is a mix of high-tech and rugged utility. You get the big 12-inch Sync 4 touchscreen and a fully digital gauge cluster. But this is not a luxury vehicle. You get marine-grade vinyl seats and washout rubber floors with drain plugs. Why? Because Ford expects you to get this thing covered in mud. The cabin is purpose-built. You get heavy-duty paddle shifters, a beefy steering wheel, and those iconic code orange accents. You are not paying for a Lincoln interior. You are paying for the capability. The 2026 Ford Bronco Raptor is not for everyone. It's loud, it's wide, and it's unapologetically aggressive. It is the single most capable, high-speed off-road SUV you can buy in the United States, period. With the V8-powered Wrangler 392 gone, the Bronco Raptor doesn't just enter the ring, it owns the ring. So, the big question, is $90,000 just too much for a Bronco? Or is this the ultimate off-road price for the undisputed king? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Improve Autos for all the latest on upcoming US vehicles.